I'm a man of many words, and I was speechless. I have a B1 and the original model, so I fly manually. So this completely blew my mind that I could draw the square and how accurate it was, how it was able to fly consistently and level. It's a breakthrough. I'm actually still kind of speechless is what I saw today.
Today we're demonstrating a new feature we're introducing. It's called AirTrace, where you can draw a box on the remote controller and the drone will autonomously follow that path for you and clean the obstacle or surface. And the user just has to draw a box on the screen and just click go. And the drone automatically creates a plan and it will go to each waypoint and it will spray water at it.
I think it's an extremely user-friendly tool. Drop and drag a box, do a couple of slides on the screen. I can correct it mid-flight and it goes back to work. It doesn't pose any new issues that I've already experienced in pressure washing.
So Drone Washing Solutions is based out of San Antonio, Texas. I've had an Apellix now for a little over a year and a half. I am the world's first to ever wash a Doppler radar dome tower with a wash drone.
So we're using a radar for depth sensing as well as a camera for detecting the surface. We're developing an AI tracking technology for the US Army, and we've been working with them for many years now. Over many iterations of our product, we have honed our technology and our autonomy capabilities robust enough that we can now introduce them to the real world. We developed this autonomous flying capability for our customers so they can fly more safely, so they have more control over their mission, so they can take a step back and let the drone do some of the more minute flying control stuff for them.
It's just another tool. I think it's going to make a ton of money for any company that goes forward with getting one. But you can start off and make it your own business. So whether you're starting out or you're adding a new service, because it just opens up so many more avenues for you to go down.
And increases safety, right? Decreasing liability of workers up on lifts. You can clean industrial now, as opposed to maybe you were limited to 3 stories or something like that. This is a tool that now forces guys who used to look down to start looking up for jobs. And that's the best thing. If you can make the trip, go make the trip to Jacksonville. Check it out for yourself. If you know they're going to be at a trade show, go to that trade show. Get to know them.
But if the government trusts it to do what they need it to do, I think the consumer, the civilian end user can trust it to do what they need it to do.
Bob's out here talking to people. That's the reason I bought from Apellix, is because I bought from Bob.